blooded but unbowed.
I gotcha! Woohoo!
Runners, watch your step over that yellow strip up by the bandstand, please. Watch your step.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
You did pretty good. 33:47.
Hey, you did it!
Had to walk that massive last hill though. I was like, no.
Oh, that hill is wicked.
Murderous.
Oh, that is coming up by the O'Brien Inn.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
like, yeah, never mind. We'll walk this part. As soon as it ends, I'll run the rest. And then I saw the finish line. I was like, there's hope for me.
I can't believe all the people.
This is a madhouse.
This is really incredible.
Yeah.
This is why I said don't spectate at the end, you'll never find us.
Yeah.
Maria's right there.
Wow. What's your number? All right, 2879. I gotta play those numbers.
Exactly.
Wow.
Now it's the part that I die the rest of the day. I'm gonna be useless now.
Oh, this is awesome. I had to park way over by Harvey, by the Irish.
I'm not surprised. I got here at 7:30 and I parked
And then I was ready to
that block over there because I thought that might be less congested than this area to get out of afterwards.
Oh, okay,
There were already
good.
people parked there, but it wasn't crazy crowded yet.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
I'm still taping you the whole time. Oh, you're super.
This is like an event that I'm doing that parents can come watch. You know, it's been so
No,
long.
I have never seen you do anything like this.
Apparently, it's a lot of 30-somethings do this now. It's our thing.
That's the thing to do.
It's kind of addictive because you sign up for a race and you get a free T-shirt and a goodie bag and a number.
Yeah.
And they give you free water and sometimes free food.
Yeah.
I'm still looking for the free food.
Oh yeah, it's got to be around.
We can walk this way. My friends are going this way.
Okay, alrighty.
But yeah, I just saw Sky and Carolyn, and I haven't seen them in like 15 years.